Hello everyone, it's time to cook the Kerala's traditional dessert, the paisam. It's quick, easy and tasty. Let's now cook it in the traditional way. In cooking paisam, we will be using the traditional cookware in Kerala called Urli. And later on, I will tell you what's the health benefit of using Urli or the bronze pan. When the Urli is hot, we have to put the Jaggery by using a strainer so that there won't be any lumps in Jaggery. And let it boil. Cooking in Urli or bronze utensils retain almost whole of nutrient value of the food. These do not corrode easily. There is no entry of toxic elements into the food. Bronze alloy lends alkalinity to food, which reduces its acidic value and therefore health benefits. Now it's time to add the ghee oil and let it dissolve into the jaggery. According to Ayurveda, using bronze pans, ladles, and utensils are very healthy to use and eat in, having health benefits. Study says that 97% of micronutrients are reserved in bronze utensils. They are known to improve skin condition, bolster nervous system, reduces obesity, improves eyesight, boosts immune system, improves hemoglobin level, and sharpens intellect. Now it's time to put the ADA. What is ADA? It's a wafer made of rice flour, known as ADA. It is used for Kerala traditional dessert. This paisam that we're cooking right now is called the ADA paisam because this is made out of ADA. There's another type of paisam that they use vermicelli. Now you can see that the jaggery and the ADA is already a bit thickened. So let's just keep on stirring it so that the jaggery and ADA will not stick into the pan.
After the second coconut milk. Second extract. Yes.
Now it's time to add the second extract of coconut milk. Just keep on stirring it until all the ingredients are incorporated. Continuously boil until it's thickened. You can see that it is a bit thick. also have add the cardamom pods and fennel seeds into the mix. So now we have to taste it and check if we still need to add some more sugar because the jaggery is already sweet. Just continue stirring it so that it will not stick to the pan.
Yes? No, correct. This is the correct picture of அடுத்தது.
Now time to add the condensed milk into the mixture.
പാല് വേണ്ട തേങ്ങാപ്പാലുണ്ട്. Okay, finish.
With cashew and sultanas on top as a garnish. ADA payasam can be served hot or cold as a sweet or an after meal dessert.
Sorry, it's DJ.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, 'cause you caught it. You caught it.